Video analytics is being used in industrial environments to improve production and maintenance. These applications allow video feed to be processed to identify operational problems and act on them in real time. They can be deployed at an edge at the industrial site. Edge makes it possible for video cameras to be much lighter. Also, it helps enterprises run multiple data analytics applications on a single platform. In an industrial environment, AGVs carry loads without any human input. Edge computing helps unload the compute from the AGVs to the servers, making the device much lighter and more affordable for enterprises. For AGVs to be automated, they need to be able to make decisions in real time. If, for example, they collide with humans, there can be serious health and safety hazards. For this to work, every part of the stack has to be tightly coupled and working together in tandem. This includes the compute resources, the application layer, and the edge orchestrator. In larger environments, it becomes even more important to orchestrate workloads, and it's the job of the orchestrator to move compute to the most appropriate edge nodes as the AGVs move from one room to another.